Listen close to the story I tell. It's the rapping story of the living cell. It's a happy tune that's sort of cheery about a real tough topic called the cell theory.
All animals, plants, and protists too are made of cells with different jobs to do. Basic units of all organisms, and I hope by now you've got the rhythm.
It all started with one dude named Hook, who had at some cork cells took a look. He used a scope and took his time, 'cause a cell is small and thinner than a dime.
Like the farmer man in the dell, the nucleus controls the cell. It gives orders kind of like a brain. It's protected by a nuclear membrane.
Around the cell you'll find the skin. The cellular membrane holds the cell in. Its job isn't simple, there's no doubt. It lets some particles go in and out.
Now please don't lose your science enthusiasm. Listen to the story of the cytoplasm. All around the cell this thick fluid goes, but in the nucleus it will not flow.
And don't forget those ribosomes. This is where the protein comes from. And these protein factories are so small, you'll agree you need an electron microscope to see.
Just when you thought you weren't having any fun, then comes along the endoplasmic reticulum. The tube-like structure is a track. It carries stuff from the membrane and back.
Now have you ever heard of donuts without holes? In a cell they're called vacuoles. They're filled with stuff like H2O. They hold the food so the cell can grow.
Well, last of all, but not the very least, mitochondria, mighty cellular beasts. Since they turn sugars into energy so well, we call them the powerhouses of the cell.
Now, my friend, you know it well, the unforgettable story of the living cell. Oh, son of a gun.
Wait, I'm not ready yet.
All around the cell this thick fluid goes, but in the... Oh, crap.
And don't... Alright, no.
Don't forget the ribosomes, that's what...
Wait, never mind.
Go, Cody.
Listen to this darn it.